Box cover. So my name is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to the TheDuttyBerryShow channel. Yeah! So without a further ado, let's get right into it. Megungo. So Kanye West dropped the visuals for his single Fade, and the best thing about the song was that Teyana was the star of the video. I think Kanye West, you're a dope artist, you know, but Teyana's presence almost move you right out of the credits. Move it, out of the line. I have no backfoot idea what sort of art form or genre of dance this was, but I loved it. All the bench there must get morning wood. She even did the alia. Did Shakira choreograph this?
So you know
Must be. By the way, did y'all remember when Jennifer Lopez did Glad? At one point, she even took us to church. Oh, spin your roll. Press along, saints, press along. Then the African Mama Kunte Kente Jende Jama. Vogue. Dancehall. Shama. Me bula breadfoot. I saw woman for polish floor. My seed clear. My girl possesseth the needle eye.
The pana go down, look how me wine and I sit down. Me carry it up and bring it down up on the side. Me a sit down. Me
all that scene with her husband Imani in the shower just make you want to take a good bath. Oh, I wanna bathe with somebody. Ooh. Then the ending. Wow, mind blown. What was the meaning? Because honestly, truly, I was clueless. Is she a cat? No, because he nailed her. Kanye West, you are a breadback visionary. The video shell, it slap way, it sell off like tin food in a hurricane season. Ooh, that video was thirst trap in motion. Can you imagine that video in 3D?
life has new meaning to me.
People, I am sure that by now, Teyana has inspired a new generation of young boys to... May I have a round of applause for Teyana Taylor's body, please? Come on, man, give it up. I mean, she just had a backfoot baby and she just got rid of the prego fat like...
So long, see a sucker, bon voyage, read a dirty later, loser, goodbye, good riddance, peace out, let the door knock, hit you at a good Lord spit, you don't come back round here no more.
I bet you girls everywhere are running to the nearest gym trying to get the fade body.
Run, girl, I'm trying to get your body wet.
She got that Janet Jackson feel it, boy, bring it around town. Boobsticles. Her breastises in that sports bra was like peekaboo. Her skin, oh my gosh, just smooth like the road them where Obama drive pan. Me coconut milk. How could I forget about her backfoot KFC legs and her juicy beef thighs? So defined, so explained, so meaningful. Right about now, Teyana have me wanting to get rid of my baby fat. Yes, baby fat. And going to my trainer saying,
Can we fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, we can.
well, there you have it. Teyana, 2016 is your backfoot year. You stay winning, and as Trump would say,
The huge
1, you released new music. 2, you shelled it, you killed it, representing Lil' Kim. And now for repping for Kanye West by being his black Taylor. Oh, the shade. I see you, Kanye, I see you. You curved the swift and got you a girl whose body was tailored.
Cause baby, now we got better.
That's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another TheDuttyBerry Show. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Please subscribe. I am trying to get to the 100,000 subscriber mark. So just help me to get there, alright? Take care until next time.